Hi, my name is Yeon. I'm doing Certificate 3 in Pathology. I've joined the course in October last year. I did nursing 20 years ago, so I have a bit of background of nursing. That's why I joined Pathology. And my teachers been doing very well. They are very helpful and very supportive. As I don't have any ideas of pathology, they are very easy to understand and follow them teaching. And I'm doing online course, which is very helpful as I have 2 children. We have 2 classes, one theory class on Monday online, and we come to campus for SBA, which is scenario-based assessment. So at the moment I'm doing SBAs at the campus. So I'm very looking forward to working at the field as a pathology collector. I've been to pathology collection center a bit of times recently, and also I look up their working hours. As a mom, it's very flexible, and also it's very familiar environment for me. That's why I chose this course to study.